Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by going into settings and choosing security and location after scrolling down. Then tap on screen lock and pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will select pattern, so now I have to click on it, pick one of the options and draw my pattern. Now click next at the bottom right corner, draw it again and tap confirm in the same place. Now you have to choose when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show. Pick one of the options, I will go with hide sensitive content and choose done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!